Google just shipped a feature within Sheets called Google Sheets Canvas. This allows you to build interactive apps directly in your Sheets on your Sheets data. And with these apps, you can build things you were never able to build before in Google Sheets. Interactive dashboards that look like they came out of a dashboard development tool. And the beauty of this is this lives in Google Sheets on your own data, so there's no security hoops to jump through. In this video, I'm going to take you through 3 examples. So let's go over to Google Sheets and get building. In Sheets, once you have your data, you can create a canvas by going to Insert and pressing Create a Canvas. You can also create a canvas by pressing the canvas icon and pressing Create a Canvas. This activates the canvas tool within the Gemini side panel, and then you put in your detail prompt. What I want here is I want to have my quota attainment tab be the data source for this, and then I'm going to give this a detail prompt. I'm asking for a quota attainment dashboard. I'm highlighting out my KPI cards. I'm highlighting out that I want a heat map. I want a bar chart with 100% reference line, and I want a sortable rep table with plan, actual, variance, and attainment percentage. In that, I want rep highlighted for high and low performance, 2 filters, and a Google Gemini theme. So what this will do is this will go and create, this takes about 2 minutes, and now this has created me an initial dashboard that lives on Google Sheets, and it contains everything I was looking for. And what we can do with this is we can follow up on some design elements we may not like. And one thing I did notice from this dashboard is when I click a filter, it only filters the scorecards and doesn't filter anything else. So I'm asking for some follow-ups. I'm asking for the names here on the top performing reps to make them visible, and to fix that filters so when I filter, it filters everything. And what's going on in the background here is this is using JavaScript within Sheets, and this is the JavaScript code here, and it's pulling in the data from the sheet into the Canvas dashboard. So everything lives on Sheets. All this is some JavaScript to create the dashboard, and when I ask for changes, that again takes a minute or two, and now it's made the changes I was looking for. So it's changed this top performing rep so I can clearly see the percentage, and now when I filter on the filters, it doesn't just filter the top KPI scorecards, it filters the entire dashboard. For the next example, I've got a sales pipeline and I want to build an app to manage this. So I'm building a Kanban board grouped by stage column, deal name, owner, and amount. I want to be able to sort those cards by ascending. I want to make the cards draggable, so each column update, and I want to make sure that the users can add and edit the board. So this is what the initial board looks like, and this is a little bit different than what we saw with the dashboard, because when I make changes here, that's reflected in the data, and that's the really nice thing about Canvas. So to start off, my cards are draggable, so I can just pull those into another row and they'll be reflected in that row. I have a button here for new deal, so I can just put a new deal in here. I don't need to put it in the sheet. I can manage it from this application. I save that and then that pops into Discovery. I can go in and edit that if I want as well. So I can change that to proposal. I can press save in there. And then when I go into the sheet that's managing all of this, I can then see that that's been created and it's in the right category. And that's all my data for this dashboard. So you can manage all the inputs and edits on the dashboard, and then it's reflected in the sheet. I can just go to analytics with Adam here as a filter, and I can just start pulling this through the different Kanbans, and that's reflected down on the sheet. So really useful functionality here, especially if you're updating. It updates the data as well. Last thing I want to show is a management dashboard for priority accounts. So I am just showing some details on a priority account here, and I want to add in some filters by priority stage, owner. I want to have a sort in there, and I want to be able to edit and add new accounts on the chart with a Google Gemini style. So this builds in about 2 minutes again, and this is a really nice looking account pipeline dashboard where somebody can go in and work through their accounts, but also we can review certain accounts in certain stages. If we were having a team meeting, we can go through all that with these pills. And then I've got a filter and search functionality, so I can filter by the name of the account owner, and I can also use a search by clicking in the search bar here and then searching for a particular account, and I can go into those accounts and edit. And this is all functionality that was built by Gemini in about 2 minutes, and we can just keep iterating on these until we get to the exact functionality we're looking for. I hope you found this video useful, and I'm really interested to see what you are building in Canvas. So if you build something